Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone and opening settings now. Make sure battery is above 20% and you won't interrupt the process. That avoids resets. Next, go to Emergency SOS or the face/side button section so you're in the right pane. Once there, note whether auto call is enabled and take a screenshot for your records if you need to reverse changes. This step prevents accidental calls while you change behavior, and it sets the context for the next actions. You now change the core settings. Toggle auto call off to prevent automatic dialing when buttons are held. Then, turn off call with hold and call with 5 presses or similar options so the side or volume buttons won't trigger SOS. Make sure to review medical ID and emergency contacts in health. Removing or editing entries avoids accidental notifications. Once done, verify the toggles are gray, not green, and test button behavior lightly. Do not actually initiate an emergency call while you confirm. You finish by restarting the iPhone so all changes apply cleanly. Power off, wait 10 seconds, and power on. After reboot, open Emergency SOS and confirm toggles stayed off, and test short button presses to ensure normal behavior. If SOS still triggers, update iOS to the latest version or use reset right arrow reset all settings as a targeted fix. This preserves data but resets toggles. If a hardware fault causes repeated SOS activation, contact Apple support or visit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.